Jon Renau's innovative Evolution collection was developed specifically for women with permanent hair loss. Created in collaboration with clients who have alopecia, this line represents years of research, investment, and testing. Understanding the unique needs and preferences of women with complete hair loss is what makes the Evolution collection so exceptional.
I was diagnosed with alopecia 5 years ago and started wearing wigs 4 years ago. The pros of this wig are definitely the fit and the security. The new inside of the cap stays way better in place on my head, and it makes me able to do a lot more activities in them. They're also lighter and overall just feel more like real hair. I would definitely recommend these wigs to anybody that's going through any type of hair loss, whether it be alopecia or baldness or cancer or anything that there's hair loss involved.
I've had alopecia since I was 2, and one of the biggest issues is definitely when you're young, you don't have something that you can wear that feels like your own, and that's where the wigs come in. The Evolution wig, I really like them because they fit custom to my scalp, and it's really nice for comfort level as well because you don't have the wig moving and shifting as your day goes on. I would recommend the wig that I'm wearing now definitely to other people, only because of comfort is first for me for everything, and that's like the biggest thing for you feeling confident with yourself is comfort level, and then style of course afterwards.